Meaning of dhoti.
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 Dhoti. A dhoti is a traditional garment worn by men, especially in South Asia. It consists of a long rectangular piece of cloth that is wrapped around the waist and legs, leaving the midriff bare. The dhoti is usually made of cotton or silk, and comes in a variety of colors and patterns. It is commonly worn for formal occasions and religious ceremonies, and is seen as a symbol of cultural heritage and identity. Despite changing fashion trends, the dhoti continues to be an important part of traditional attire in many parts of India.